Okay, everybody, tab 3, these are our sample exercises. We are now going to work with sum again, which we've already done, and average. We're going to introduce a new one called standard deviation, and I'll show you how to do that here in just a second. So our first question is, what was the sum total number of structure fires from 2010 to 2019? Now, just like in tab 2, we have another table, and our table lists our year, the number of structure fires, the number of auto fires, and the number of brush fires. So we're going to utilize this data to answer the questions. So what was the sum total number of structure fires from 2010 to 2019? We place our mouse inside the area of the box where we want the answer to appear. We go up to the function key, the FX key. We left click it. We're looking for sum again. You'll notice that sum now is right here. We highlight that, click it. We click OK. So we're going to go with structure fires, and like we did previously, we're going to place our mouse cursor in the first box next to the year where the structure fire numbers appear. Left click it and hold it down. Slide our mouse key all the way down to the last number in the range. Release the left mouse key. And again, it's highlighted this entire range to calculate. We simply come back over and press OK, and it gives us our answer. The sum total number of structure fires from 2010 to 2019 was 63,180. Our next question, what was the average number of structure fires from 2010 to 2019? We go up to the function key, we press it. This time we're looking for average, which is right here. I'm going to click it, highlight it. I'm going to select OK. I'm going to go over to our structure fire right here, which is what we did previously for sum, except this time we're just figuring the average. I'm going to left click it, hold the mouse button down on the left mouse button. I'm going to slide it down to the last number in the range, release the mouse, come back over and click OK. And again, it gives me the average number of structure fires from 2010 to 2019, which was 6,318. Our next question is, what was the standard deviation in the number of brush fires from 2010 to 2019? Put my mouse cursor in the box where I want the answer to appear. Come to my function key and I select it. This time I'm looking for standard deviation. And in Excel, standard deviation is right here, STDEVA. I'm going to click it and highlight it. I'm going to select OK. And I'm coming over to brush fires. I'm going to put my mouse cursor in the first number in the range, left click it and hold it down. Drag the mouse down to the last number in the range and release it. I'm going to come back over to my dialog box, plus OK. And I now know the standard deviation in the number of brush fires was 211.87525. The next question is, what was the average number of auto fires from 2010 to 2019? Click the box where I want the number to appear. I'm going to come to my function key. I'm looking for average, which is right here. Click it. This time I'm working car fires, which is auto fires here. Actually, it should be the same. I'm going to, well, I forgot to press OK. It's easy to make those mistakes, everybody. Go in and press the mouse button down on the left side. Highlight the range. Release the mouse button. Come back and click OK. And it gives me the average. The average number of auto fires from 2010 to 2019 was 667.4. Okay, our last question, what was the median number of auto fires from 2010 to 2019? Again, put my mouse cursor in the box where I want the answer to appear. Click the function key. I'm looking for median, which is right here. I'm going to select it, click it. I'm going to click OK. And I'm going to then come down, select the first number in the auto fire range, slide the mouse down to the last number in the range, release the mouse, and come back to the dialog box and click OK. My answer is 643.5. So the median number of auto fires from 2010 to 2019 was 643.5.